A lot of our calls right now, especially when this first started, were can we go outside, or there's too many people in the gas station, or I see a bunch of people eating at a picnic out in the playground or the parks or things like that. That's something Governor Ivey addressed and told our Alabama what to expect, and it has it printed out. So we just refer a lot of the callers for that type of situation to the Alabama Department of Health, and to go back over what Governor Ivey has already put out as a plan. So we're just trying to follow that also with the daily briefings that the City of Huntsville, the City Mayor of Madison have also done. But for us, it's quieter, a little bit quieter in the mornings because the kids aren't getting out of bed. So we have that little bit of break. Domestics, things like that do ramp up because everybody is kind of stuck in that house all together, and tempers can flare just a little bit more. But for right now, it has calmed down in the mornings. Some of the questions about just being outside in general, but it's still just the regular other medical calls that we get every day.
There are actually fewer calls than there were before the quarantine. The nature of the call has changed, and actually there are a little bit fewer medical calls, and then the crime type calls, people aren't out there misbehaving like they normally do. And then at first, I was expecting domestic disturbances to start going up, and they didn't the first couple of weeks, which kind of surprised me because I figured if people are there all imprisoned with their spouses and children, that they might misbehave. But in the last couple of weeks, we've seen that trend going up. But overall, thank goodness, the number of calls is pretty flattened out.